We need to confront this situation head on. Let's go to union building and demand the government to step aside. Let's go to union building and raise our concern to the government that we are enough. We cannot be a nation that is suffering forever. Let's go to union building. The ball is in our court, commanders. The ball is in our court, my fellow South Africans. We cannot be victims in our own country. We cannot be victims in our own motherland. Those with financial resources, we cannot do this without the support from you. We're asking you for your help on that department. We need the financial resources so that we can be able to advance this cause. You might think you're not going to be part of this because you are well off. Remember, as we speak going forward, this country is broke. Sooner or later, you'll be broke too, and you're going to have a problem. Rather, the smaller nyana that you have, donate. So, kumele siyakhane thina abantu basemzansi. Ngiyankosa ngiyancenga futhi ngithi khulumani nathi ukuthi senzeni. Ngoba zonke izinto ziqhamuka kunina. Uma ngabe nifuna senze ukuthile, khulumani nathi. Kodwa sihlanganeni endaweni sazi ukuthi la nizofika nibaningi. Uma ngabe ufanele lo mhlangano soyenze kuwonke ama province. Nakhona kusezandleni zenu. Kodwa kuzofanele nisincede ukuthi sifike lapho. Sizokhuluma nani. Ngoba lena lisayidinga. Sibuza kini indlela ukuthi ufanele senze njani. Kodwa kumele sihlangane endaweni eyodwa sikhulume. Mangabe ufanele sihambe wonke lama province la sikhulume nani, sincedeni sikwazi ukufika lapho. Ngoba asikhona ukufika kwamanye ama province ngendaba yakuthi simpofu njengani. Simpunga njengani. Kodwa laba abakhonayo hasina nkinga yokuthi sifike lapho. Asitholeni indawo, ivenue ifana ne-stadium, ivenue ifana ne-park. Mangabe ufanele leyo ndawo ibhatala ukuthi sibe lapho. I-South Africa yonkana izicoce nayo babe indaweni ezihlukile. Yenzani njalo macabana. Yenzani njalo bantu bala ekhaya. Sanicela ukuthi isikhathi asikho. Isikhathi sambile. Lelizwe lethu lambile. Ukuthi libuye isidima sibuye sabantu bala ekhaya. Kumele sisukume sonke, sincedisane siyisebenze lento ngo-ubuntu, ngesintu. Angithi asihlanganeni sonke. Nani abantu bemthetho. Ngiyazi ukuthi nani nisenkingeni efana nalethi nasibuyo. Kodwa ninawo amandla ukuthi ningayenza noma yini ngoba nisebenzela le hulumeni. Lo hulumeni niyamsebenzela kodwa ninganceda thina abantu abanjengathi nje. Sikwazi ukusebenza silungise yonke lento le ngoba akekho omunye umuntu ozozilungisela yona phandle kwethu nani. Niyazazi igemegeme ngeke ngisiloku siphinda into yodwa mihla namalanga. Igemegeme zalana zazi. So sicela kini abantu bomnyama, abantu bakithi, abantu bala eSouth Africa. Yonkana eSouth Africa. This is a consultation kahle kahle. Ngithi yini abantu abamnyama nabonke abantu bala ekhaya. Kakhulu nina abantu bakithi ngikhuluma nani ngoba yithi isicindezelo kakhulu la ekhaya. Asinalutho. Kodwa laba abakhonayo ngeke uhluleke ukuthi wena uhambe uyochasha indawo bese sibize senze isimemezelo njengoba ngikhuluma ukuthi wonke abantu sihlangane endaweni ezihlukile uma province ahlukile. Mangabe ufanele lento yenziwe ngelanga elilodwa angiboni inkinga lapho. Kodwa kuzofuneka amalanga kube amalanga amahlanu. At least sizokhona ukuthi sisuke la siye la sisuke la siye yonke indawo. And masuka lapho kumele sihambe siye straight e-Union Building. Siyocela nje ukuthi nina ama-politician nihlulekile ukusihola. Manje isikhathi sokuthi thina namakhosi siphathe. Ngoba lelizwe leli lamakhosi, abantu bamakhosi. Ngiyazi abanye abantu abayizwisisa into engikhulumayo ngamakhosi. Njengoba ngishilo ngithi freedom is rooted to ancestral pain. Mawungazwisisa nje lelo gama lelo. Ukuthi amakhosi wethu njengombambatha, awu njengosikhukhuni, awu njengohinza, awu njengomshweshwe. Bonke lamakhosi wethu wabulawela lomhlaba. Yibo abantu ngikhuluma ngabo lapho. Ukuthi lelizwe lethu libe restored to its original position or state. Kumele sebenzisane kanye. Akuncede ukuthi nithule nithi hayi ile akuyona impi yakho, impi yethu sonke. Kumele siyilwe sonke ndawonye. Sikwazi ukuphumelela. Abanye abantu abanandaba ukuthi kwenzakalani. Kodwa thina kumele sibe nendaba ngoba phandle kwale ndlela ukuthi silungise le ndaba le yala ekhaya. Eqinisweni sisenkingeni enkulu kabi. Enkulu kakhulu. So ngiyanxusa. Phinde nginicele futhi ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi ayikho lula lento engicelayo. Inzima nakimi inzima. Nakithi lithina leqembu inzima. Yiko sikhuluma ngomzansi South Africa. Asikhulumi ngenye into. Ngeke sihlale siqoqa ngezinto lezi ezenzakalayo. Siyazazi already siyazi ukuthi kwenzakalani la kulelizwe. Kodwa into engasingakayenzi thina ukuthi siconfront labaholi laba sithi sibabekile lapha ngoba bona baphila kamnandi. Ukuthi thina isilizwe sisizwe siphila kanjani abanandaba nalokho. Inkulumo zabo nje amabhonga nje. Amanga nje. Deception, manipulation, mind game, empty promises, izinto lezi bahlala bakhuluma ngazo lapha bathi batshela thina basithengisela nje into engekho. Therefore ngicela nina maqabani wala ekhaya, nina sizwe sakithi esimnyama na wonkana umuntu ukhona la wala ekhaya, whether umhlophe unjani kuyafana. Asizaneni silungise le country le. Once siqede kuyisilungisa lesizwe, then okunye sizakubona later. Asibeni imbumba siyilwise le yonke lento le. Ngoba akekho umunye umuntu uzosinceda ngayo. Yithi fanele sizilungisele lelizwe leli. iBurkina Faso Niger Mali bazilungisela awabo amazwe sehlulwa yini thina ayikho into enzima nje ukuthi imiqondo yethu fanele ibe aligned ne-truth and freedom. Asiyeni umphakathi, asiyeni isizwe sakithi sukume. Ayikho enye into izosihlula mangabe sifuna ukuphumelela, sifuna ukuthi si-achieve zonke izinto esizifunayo. Imbumba yafuneka. So ngiyanicela ukuthi sihlanganeni, ake nilungise nezilungise nani. Sibe ne-meeting, National Park, stadiums, busy sizingengela kulamazwe asentshonalanga. Kuze kube nini? Ayisebenzeli lento leyo. Amazwe asentshonalanga sisayine into ekuthiwa i-Economic Structural Adjustment Program. Isho ukuthini leyo into leyo? Isho ukuthi iSouth Africa ayinalo ilungelo loku-industrialize. The time abasayinayo lento le kuthiwa i-Sunset Clause. Sunset Clause inalezi izinto bathi capital flight. What is a capital flight? Kunabantu nje abazala abazostapela imali bayenza lento le bayibiza ngesilungu sabo bathi illicit funds. Kahle South Africa is indawo la kwenziwa khona imali, kuyenzwa khona imali yeningi. Leyo mali leyo ayisebenzeli thina, isebenzela bona labantu bangaphandle. Labantu bale entshonalanga. Ayisebenzeli thina la. Yiko namhlanje mawungabheka wonke ama-mining houses la khona. I-population yalezo indawo lezo is not even developed. Abantu abaningi basahlala emikhukhwini kulezo indawo lezo. Infrastructure development yala eSouth Africa is in tatters. It's actually going anywhere. Is in a worse state. Ayikho into ngathi yasebenza la ekhaya. And yonke into uthi isebenze. Yonke into isemahlombe wethu. Abobaba bala eSouth Africa anisukumeni. Intsha yala eSouth Africa sukumani. La nginaska sokhuluma ngegender balance or what not. Le impi yamadoda. Amadoda fanele ayifeyise le. Ngoba ukuhlala kwethu singayenzi lutho ngalento le. Ayisizi ngalutho leyo nto. Sizokhuluma day in day out city government yenza lokhu, corruption is that, crime this and that, people babulalana emathavern. Yes, it's like siphila kule ngqondo yabantu abaphila ngemedia, nge-social media ukuthi we living on the trends, topics on social media, and that is not how the world or the country should be governed. So ngikhuluma nani abantu abasha, ngikhuluma nani abantu abadala, especially amadoda. Ayikho into ehlula insizwa. Sahlangana saba imbumba yonke lento siyilungisa izolunga. So mina ngikhuluma nani. Nginami ngizibala phakathi kwalabo bantu labo abadala nabantu abasha. Ngizibala phakathi kwenu nonke. Ngithi asisukumeni nayi into phambi kwethu. Fanele siyilungise. Siyohlala kuze kube nini. I'm calling upon you, youth. Stand up. The men of my motherland, the youth of my motherland, you need to stand up. The country is going right deep down in the pit of destruction, right in front of our noses. We are doing nothing about it. Political parties are just side shows. Political parties' job is one: distraction, misleading, looting, collaborating with the enemy, collaborating with the imperialists, collaborating with the colonizers, collaborating with the settlers. So we need to stand up. When we talk about the sovereignty of a nation, we're talking about the nation that must stand up and take care and defend its own territory. When we talk about sovereignty, we're talking about the soul of the nation, the pride of the nation. So, South African men and women, South African men and youth, where is your dignity and where is your pride? Why are you so silent when this country is going into the dogs, is fed to the dogs? Why are we allowing this country to be in the shame as it is? Why are we allowing this country to be in the bad condition as it is? Why are we allowing this nation, the land of our ancestors, to go to ruin while we are still alive and breathing? Why are we allowing all these criminals to continue misleading the whole nation, to sell out the country and the land of our ancestors? How do we live with ourselves? Our children are not working. Our children are not participating in the mainstream economy. We don't have a land.